Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like AppStation. They think it's a simple way to earn money just by playing games. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real experience is very different from what the ads make it look like. In this video, you will learn how AppStation actually works in 2026, how you earn rewards, whether it really pays, and most importantly, if it is actually worth your time. Let's get straight into it. AppStation is a mobile app that rewards you for downloading and playing games. The idea is simple. You install games through the app, play them, and earn points based on your playtime and engagement. Those points can then be exchanged for gift cards or cash through supported payout systems depending on your region. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app is not fake in the sense that it does not pay users. Many people do receive rewards. But the real question is whether those rewards are meaningful enough to justify the time you spend. Here's the problem most users face. The earning rate is extremely low. For example, someone like Alex might play for an hour and only earn a small amount of points that convert to a few cents or a very small reward. So while it feels like progress, the actual value is minimal. Another important factor is game availability. AppStation does not control all offers directly. It relies on advertisers. That means users like John in one country might see high-paying game offers, while another user sees very low-paying ones, or even limited options. This inconsistency is a big reason people get confused about whether it is worth it. Now let's talk about withdrawals. Yes, AppStation does allow users to cash out once they reach the minimum threshold. Some users show proof of PayPal or gift card payouts. But here's what you need to understand. These payouts are usually small and take time to accumulate. You are not going to build meaningful income here. So is AppStation worth it in 2026? The honest answer is that it depends on your expectations. If you are looking for extra pocket money or casual rewards while playing games you already enjoy, it can be fine. But if you expect consistent earnings or anything close to a part-time income, you will be disappointed. The smartest way to use AppStation is to treat it like a bonus system, not a job. Play only when you are relaxed, and do not rely on it as a financial strategy. To summarize, AppStation is real and does pay, but the earnings are very small and inconsistent. It is more of a reward app than an income app. If you found this review helpful, like the video, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.